G'day folks, welcome to a Weather IQ thunderstorm update. Today, the 8th of November 2025. This update brought to you by townsvillesheds.com. And if you want to know anything more about what we're talking about today, join our subscription service at weatheriq.com.au/sign up. This Arvo, we're expecting to see some pretty significant thunderstorm activity through northern New South Wales and southeast inland Queensland, as well as the Gulf Country and parts of northern inland Queensland. Those showers and thunderstorms will break into sort of rain, into a rainy mess, and that rainy mess will come charging at the southeast Queensland coastline, but it will lag back a bit through northern inland Queensland in preparation for tomorrow's shower and thunderstorm activity, which will likely be much closer to the coast of central and northeast Queensland. Already at 12 o'clock today, we can see some showers and thunderstorms already building up through the western parts of the Downs, the eastern half of the Maranoa Warrego. The forecast ground radar for the next few hours indicates that these storms will multiply and fairly quickly turn into a bit of a thundery, rainy mess as they track eastwards, and that will limit their severity as they track eastwards. So the strongest of those storms likely to be well inland of the coastline, and then you can see a nice little storm line, or at least a rain line with a bit of lightning in it, pushing towards southeast Queensland this evening tonight. Overnight tonight, expecting to see quite a bit of light drizzly rain throughout that southeast coast, southeast inland area as well. In the north of the state, we're anticipating lots of light patchy rain with a bit of embedded lightning in it around the Mount Isa district, and then you can see some individual thunderstorms, these surface-based convective cells a little further east out towards Richmond, up towards Normanton, Croydon, those sort of areas. They're the areas that'll fire up with some storm activity today up there. And you can see the areas particularly firing up on the high-resolution modelling, particularly just west of Richmond, it looks as though. And these thunderstorms and showers and sort of rain areas will stick around all night, by the way. So there's no clearance there at night time. These are not your typical North Queensland showers and storms. Nighttime hours will continue to allow them to build. And you can see some storm activity developing around that Western Cape coastline. Tomorrow is a much more interesting day for northeast Queensland, and we'll talk about that as we get into tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the storms. Hopefully they're not too strong. Those ones in southeast inland Queensland for the first half of the afternoon through to about 3-4 p.m. do look like they're going to be quite strong, but they do form into a bit of a rainy mess at the end of the day as they come towards the populated southeast coast.